Hi everyone, happy Thursday. Ashley here. So I went ahead and watched the videos and I chose to go with the option one question defining the client's lifestyle. Option one questions. The first question is why would Dr. Carlson tie Gina's motivations back to her parents? Well, with Adlerian theory, our lifestyle is developed by the time we're age 5 or 6, I believe. And so a lot of that development is influenced, as he argues, by our parents and the relationships, the parental relationships. He says that they're the model for all relationships, especially within the family. And that the way that children view their perception of their parents' relationships will influence their perception of all partnerships in life. He also says that parents are the ones that teach us social interest, and if we fail to learn how to kind of cooperate socially with others, it'll result in development. I'm reading my notes, sorry here. It'll result in some developmental challenges that could lead to a lack of a sense of belonging, as well as that those kind of mistakes that were made within the family will eventually come back to, he says, haunt us. That word just sounds so scary. Haunt us later in life. So those parents are a huge influence, right? They model what relationships look like, and you see the dynamic between the parents, and that is how we learn how to have partnerships or relationships in life. And Gina is in the video discusses a lot about her relationship, her past marriage, and her future hope for a relationship. So number two, what basic life tasks does Gina describe in the video? Gina talks about 2 life tasks, one that she seems to have already accomplished, or 2, she kind of seems to have accomplished the social interest within, and then also her job as a teacher, her work life. She absolutely loves her work life. It fulfills her, it creates happiness, and she says that she couldn't see herself doing anything other than that. So that's a huge important task that she seems to have already accomplished. And I think within that lies the social interest, because you're working within a community of teaching. You have to work with other teachers, you have to work with parents, you have to have that sense of community in being a teacher. But the main one that I think she's working on or working towards is the task of love and relationships. She seems to be she's divorced, as she talked about. She seems to be very angry towards her ex-husband and frustrated with that. She also discusses what her future would look like as far as in happiness. She would like to have a partner, would like to have a relationship, some sort of potential actual commitment. She's not sure about marriage, but so that's something that it seems like she's currently working on or working towards that. And then the last one was, what interventions on the part of the therapist suggest to you that this is an Adlerian therapist? Well, in the video, he's asking her to recollect a lot of the memories, right? Or he ties it back to her parents, and when she's talking about her happiness, and well, who are you more like, your mom or your dad? So she's reflecting on that, and then he's doing lots of interpretations with her when she's talking about being selfish to a fault, right? Like he interprets that selfishness in her of saying you've had to be selfish your whole life, so this is where you are, and then so she's kind of appreciating the selfishness for her. And then from there, he asks her to create an image. He says, picture yourself working on this selfishness now, and how it's affected your relationship and what kind of closure could come out of that. So he's having her create those images and put herself in that position, and working towards, it seems like, somewhat of a goal in that sense. And I feel like he's using this theory, or this theory is being used because Gina seems a little bit angry about it. So she's like angry, and she even says that she's not ready to create that image. She's not ready to put herself in the sense of how the selfishness, she's ready to she's ready to say that she's mad and she's frustrated and she's upset with him. She's not yet ready to work on having a what did she say, a an associate, not an association, an acquaintance with him. She's not ready for a relationship or an acquaintance, but she's angry. And so he's asking her to just create the image. Not necessarily she has to do it, not the sense that she needs to reach out to him or anything, but just what would that look like in her head? What would that look like? What could that maybe feel like? So I feel like maybe that's why he's doing it, because she is so angry that she's just not ready to do it. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to your feedback.